Hey guys, welcome back to Electro Tech Hands-On. Today I will be unboxing the Xbox OPI, which was a special 2023 summer edition that they brought out. It's not been opened yet, so I'm going to open it on the camera and then we're going to Bluetooth it up to the Steam Deck and see just how easy the transition is. So, time to open it up and have a look what's inside. There we go, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, bear in mind I will be getting a better mic and lighting for the channel. But yeah, that's absolutely beautiful, isn't it? I've heard they've actually got textures. Yeah, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but there's textures. There is actually a texture on the triggers now. Not sure how well the camera's picking that up. Oh, that feels lovely. So as you see, once you put the batteries in, make sure you click the pairing button and then it comes up. Click A. Paired. As simple as that. Let's start again. We'll do a game of Apex. Absolutely perfect, zero latency. Start again, press Y.
Check it out over there. Cancel that. Got a good feeling about this area.
Zero latency at all.
Here we go. Ready up.
We should continue there.
Rings moving and we're all on perfection. Not the height is waiting.
There's a great distance between us.
New kill leader. Surely. The enemy stands before us.
Oh well. But yeah, absolutely amazing, beautiful and responsive, perfect for what I need it for. So yeah, awesome. So last thing to test is, can the controller wake up the Steam Deck from sleep mode? So let's put the Steam Deck into sleep mode. That will turn off the controller. Yep. Now let's turn back on the controller. Will it wake up the Steam Deck? Indeed it does. Wonderful. Absolutely amazing. Right, well I hope you liked this small tutorial, and I hope you enter the competition for the other purple case that I've got to give away. There's only 3 weeks left till Easter Sunday, so I wish you all the best of luck. Make sure you enter that competition on the grip case video. So yes, I will catch you on the next one. Take care everyone. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take care everyone.